In this video, we're going to deploy Gitea in Cuemby Cloud. We start by finding and selecting the Gitea image. Then, we select the instance configuration and the resources the service will use within the platform. We launch the deployment, and Cuemby Cloud handles the provisioning to get the environment ready. Gitea is a self-hosted software development platform that brings together Git hosting, code review, team collaboration, package registration, and CI/CD functions in one place. It's also designed to be lightweight, easy to use, and flexible for different types of teams. After the Gitea installation is complete, we verify that the system is operational and available to start managing repositories and development workflows from a single platform using the public IP address provided by the system. With Cuemby Cloud, we can have Gitea up and running in just a few steps with a clear infrastructure, well-defined connectivity, and more secure operation.